Far-left radicals in Congress want to take away your voice, your jobs, your rights, and they especially want to take away your guns. You know that. No, Paris, France, they say has the strongest gun laws in the world. And you remember those maniacs when they went into the nightclub. I use this example. There are many examples. But they shot one person, another person, another person, another person. The shooting went on so long, and there wasn't a thing you could do about it. Get over here, boom. Get over here, boom. If there was only one gun, there were 2, 3, 4, it wouldn't have happened. Because the cowards would have known there are people in there having guns, wouldn't have happened.